Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks from MarineMax on Lake Wylie, and today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. So starting way up here in the bow, you can see it is an awesome bow setup on this boat, right, for this bay boat style. So you're gonna have some rod holders right here at the front below your cushions here, and then nice non-skid all the way along the bow. You've got those handrails with the built-in cup holders integrated in there. So just an all-around sleek look in the bow up here. And you do have some storage underneath these seats here. So a little storage there. And then underneath the front cushions, you're gonna have some snaps that will then expose your anchor storage there. So you're able to tie your anchor onto that point there. And then you got a drain in there as well. So awesome utilization of the bow. Those cushions are completely removable and it's all non-skid underneath there. So if you remove those, it's going to be like a huge casting platform for the front of this bow here. All right, so huge spotlight item on the 220 Dauntless is going to be this sun pad lounger in the bow right here, right in front of the console. So you're going to have flip down armrests on here, cup holders on either side, and a big old storage compartment inside there. Alrighty. You can see as we're making our way back, we've got a nice JL audio speakers with those white gates. Super integrated look on the boat. Makes it clean and aesthetically pleasing in here. We'll make our way around the console now. Have you guys come around here to take a look at the head on this boat and really see how much space they were able to find inside that center console there. I mean, there is a ton of space in there if you're going to be using that head. So we have a super sturdy T-top here. All right, so that is powder coated white. It's a clean look. Got this T-bag up here, the dome light right above you where you'd be captaining the boat. And it's just an overall comfortable layout. You've got the Simrad unit right in front of you and the JL audio controls right here. You've got 2 foot pedals where you can rest your feet at either height as the captain, and you could easily fit another person beside you as well. But I got controls for everything on board right here at the helm. Like I said, Simrad's going to have controls for almost everything. You have your trim tabs and your Mercury digital throttle here. So no cable-driven throttle here, and it is going to be super smooth shifting no matter how fast or how slow you're going with this throttle here. So take a look at the back a little bit, right? Nice big captain's chair, like I was saying. You could easily fit 2 people on here. This captain's chair is also going to hide your recirculating live well on there. So nice big live well below the captain's chair, right? You got a light in there, and like I said, it is recirculating, so it's awesome part of the fishing package on board this boat here. And as we're going around, you'll see we've got these rod holders spread out throughout the entirety of the boat. All the way back towards the transom, you got 2 flip down seats that are going to have non-skid on top, and then with those compression locks holding them down as cushioned seats there. This boat is powered by this big white Mercury 200 horsepower. Big V6 on the back of this boat. It's a good bit of power. It's really an awesome boat in that bay boat style, like I was saying earlier. Boston Whaler is a well-known name and the best resale market that there is in the boating world. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.